Crocamole.
Captain Molly here. All aboard our ship, mateys.
Hello there. Ahoy! Sailor Truffle, ready for duty.
And Sailor Croc. Ahoy!
Okay, mateys, you must do everything Captain Molly says.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, scrub the deck.
Oh, scrub the deck.
Scrub the floor.
Oh, looking pretty good. Climb the riggings.
Oh, we have to climb up.
Climb with us.
Okay, scrub the deck again.
Again?
Back down. Oh.
And climb the riggings again.
Oh, are you climbing?
We need an elevator.
And scrub the deck. Climb the riggings. Scrub the deck. Climb the riggings. Ha! Our ship is ready to go. Come on, let's see if we can spot any whales.
Come along with us.
Yeah.
A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see. And all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea.
Let's keep going.
A sailor went to chop, to see what he could chop. And all that he could chop was the bottom of the deep blue chop. A sailor went to me, to see what he could me. And all that he could me was the bottom of the deep blue me.
Foot this time. Foot.
A sailor went to foot, to see what he could foot. And all that he could foot was the bottom of the deep blue foot.
Timbuktu.
A sailor went to Timbuktu to see what he could Timbuktu. And all that he could Timbuktu was the bottom of the deep blue Timbuktu.
All together, mateys.
All together? A sailor went to see Chop Me Foot Timbuktu to see what he could see Chop Me Foot Timbuktu. And all that he could see Chop Me Foot Timbuktu was the bottom of the deep blue sea Chop Me Foot Timbuktu.
Oh, and we're back on land.